Imagine creating your customized safety relay in 10 minutes or less while using only the components you need. With My Panots from Pilz, this has become a reality. For nearly 4 decades, Pilz has been a leader and innovator in machine safety technology. Now with their revolutionary development, My Panots, Pilz has again broken the mold when it comes to advancing machinery safety. Since you know your machines best, the My Panots allows you to customize an automated safety relay based on your specifications. Here's how it works. First, you choose the required safety functions needed for your machine. Next, the My Panots creator puts the ideal hardware together and checks it with a simulation function. Once created, it's just a few clicks to order on the Pilz eShop or through your local Pilz authorized distributor. Pilz will then build and test the relays, ensuring full functionality. Your My Panots is shipped to you as a single unit, ready to simply plug mount onto DIN rail and wire into your control panel. Therefore, My Panots offers time savings, reducing commissioning time, reducing costs, only pay for the modules you need, and reducing downtime, shipped to you fully tested. No safety relay in history has ever been as easy, customizable, or cost-efficient as My Panots. Look no further than Pilz, the spirit of safety.